Hi, I'm Streaky. Today I'm answering a question: what are the best free plugins for mastering? So anybody new to the channel, I've been a mastering engineer for the past 25 years, working on some quite high-end stuff. Go to streaky.com, you can see my discog there. So I'm here and I'm talking about equipment and my thoughts on it. So today is all about what free plugins. Now, I personally only use plugins for limiting. I don't use any plugins for compression or EQ because I'm totally out of the box. My feel is you're not going to get the same sound as a professional mastering engineer if you're completely in the box. It has to be a hybrid system. No mastering engineer, it's just the depth and the sound that you get from hardware. You just don't get that with plugins, unfortunately. And you know, there are some great plugins out there and they do have their uses. More for mixing though, because obviously the recall for a mix is colossal, whereas for mastering it's not as bad, and we're using very precise half dB steps here and there for different things, and you just can't get the same depth and smack that you can with plugins. But that said, now what do I think are good plugins and good free plugins? So somebody asked me this in a comment, and for me it opened up a wider question, or a thought should I say. When somebody asked me what free plugins, that just makes me think, well, why are you looking for free plugins? Free plugins aren't going to be very good by their very nature because nobody's put in the amount of money for R&D to make those plugins good. Yes, I know you haven't got any money. Now, money is the key fundamental bit of this free plugin stuff, because you're going to need money for... If you're making music, you shouldn't be making music from zero and having no money at all in your bank account. You need to go and get a job to finance your hobby, which hopefully your hobby will then turn into your job, but you need a job first before you can get the hobby going. You're always going to need money for promotion, to get people to master, mix, listen to your stuff, you know, make some vinyl, get just promo, marketing. You're going to need money. So really what you want to do is have, I'm not saying that you can't start from zero, of course you can, but to be on the best footing, you need to have a little stream of income, because when you're writing music and you've got no money, you're going to write music with the thought of, how's this going to make me money? And it's very difficult to be artistic and creative when you've got that pressure on yourself. So what you need to do is relieve the pressure by having a cash flow coming in so that you can then buy what you need to buy, get better, be a bit more relaxed about it, and then put some really good quality stuff out. And if you want to be an engineer, then you're going to need equipment to stand ahead of other people and to get the sound that you want to get, that's going to then bring you some work in. So you're going to need some money to invest first. So I would suggest getting a job, maybe in music or around music, to then fund getting these plugins or outboard equipment or studio time or promo or whatever you need to do, whatever you're focusing on to get you to the next level. Now, okay, on to plugins. So my first thing is to get some cash coming in, and then I would go to something like, I would go to the subscription service plugins. There's some really good ones. The Slate ones, for example, are superb, and I think that's like $15 a month. Now, everyone can afford $15 a month. If you're watching this now, you've got an internet connection, you've got a computer or a phone, you can afford $15 a month for your hobby. So stop looking for free plugins. They're going to be all crap, and you're going to get really good ones for $15 a month from Slate. I mean, that is a bargain. And then there's other people out there, a lot of them are going, I think IK Media are doing a monthly subscription. So for, even if you had £50 a month going out, you could have as many plugins as you will ever need in your life. You want it, Slate stuff will do you. You will get by if you are fully Slate and whatever software you're running. I'm not going to give you free plugins, tips, because what you've got to do is not go for free options on things. Find a way to get some cash flow coming in. Don't drink a coffee. Don't go out for a McDonald's. Stay in and spend that £1 a day or 50p a day, or 50 cents if you're watching this in America, a day on your plugins to take you to the next level, to learn what you've got to do, and then you're going to get better and better. Okay, I hope that's helped. I hope you've got something out of that. So thanks for watching this far. Please leave a comment, please subscribe. If you want me to master your tracks for you, there's a link below. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments. I can do more of this and answer those for you. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye.